Hello friends, so today I will be solving question number 5 part 2 of exercise 8.4 introduction to trigonometry for class 10. In the part 2 we have to prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, this is equal to 2 sec A. So this is what we have to prove. Now I will take the LHS. In the LHS we have cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So the very first step will be to take the LCM. Since nothing is common out of 1 plus sin A and cos A, so their product will be the LCM. So we will have 1 plus sin A into cos A as LCM, and in the numerator I will have, since this is the LCM, 1 plus sin A into cos A, and here numerator is 1 plus sin A, so what remains is cos A. This LCM is divided by this denominator, I will get cos A. So this cos A is multiplied to the numerator, making it cos square A. Similarly, this is the LCM and this is the denominator. LCM is divided by this denominator and I will get 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A multiplied with 1 plus sin A gives me 1 plus sin A whole square. So after getting this, I will just open the bracket and there is a plus sign here, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. So cos square A will remain as it is, and here 1 plus sin A will be in the form of A plus B whole square. And as we know, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So I can write this as 1 plus 2AB will be 2 into 1 into sin A, so 2 sin A plus sin square A whole upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. So now this is cos square A and this is sin square A. This can be written together so that it becomes sin square A plus cos square A. And this will be 1 plus 2 sin A whole upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So now you know that there is a standard identity that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So this whole can be replaced by 1. So here I am writing it as 1 plus 2 sin A whole upon 1 plus sin A cos A. So now this can be written as 2 plus 2 sin A whole upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now in this both the terms we see that 2 is common, so I will take out 2 as common, and what remains inside the bracket is 1 plus sin A whole upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So again we can see that this 1 plus sin A is a binomial or a factor which is common in both numerator and denominator, so this can be cancelled and I will get 2 upon cos A. So this is 2 into 1 upon cos A, and we know that 1 upon cos A can be written as sec A. So I will replace that and this will become 2 sec A, which is equal to the RHS cos A plus sin A, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So this is equal to RHS, hence proved. So